New to cycling? Just got yourself a spangly new mountain bike? Or maybe you've been riding for years but prefer to spend your time actually riding and hanging out with your mates rather than trawling the internet for all the latest gear news and reviews. Whatever the case, this list is curated just for you. The list contains 12 different mountain bike accessories designed to strap onto your mountain bike. Some of the products are designed to hold things, others are there for protection, both for you and your bike. I've been using most of these products on and off for the past year or so, and consequently, I'm pretty across what they do well and not so well. As always though, if you've got any questions about any of these, shoot them into the comments section below and I'll do my best to answer them for you. So stick around and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. 1. While we're at the bottle cage, I'll mention the little Fix-It Sticks toolkit I have mounted on the same bottle cage bolts. This is another product I get asked about quite a bit, since the bronze color stands out quite a bit, especially on the acid trance shown here. If you're not familiar with Fix-It Sticks, these are designed as a compact two-part tool that's made up of two sticks that combine to create a T-handle tool. This style of tool is generally preferred by bike shop mechanics, since it offers leverage advantages over a standard flip-out multi-tool. I really like how the Fix-It Sticks fit together, while offering a good amount of length to reach into awkward spaces. The model shown here is a fixed version, so you can't change the bits around. However, the stock T25 and 4, 5, and 6 mm bits are ideal for a wide variety of jobs, and with the included mounting cradle, I like how they're always on the bike. In particular, having the 6 mm is super handy on the giant Trance 29, since it has bolt-up axles front and rear. 2. Bike Bag Dude Top Tube Mini Garage. Top tube bags are becoming an increasingly popular storage option for those who prefer to ride packless. It's a bit of a hybrid bag, somewhere between what you'd see on a touring rig and a triathlon bike. But I've found it translates to mountain biking really well, particularly on modern full suspension bikes where limited rear tire clearance means running a saddlebag is risky. Made from high-quality fabrics along with a thick water-resistant zipper, the Mini Garage will take a spare tube, a multi-tool, a CO2 cylinder and head, tubeless plugs, snacks, a tire gauge, and various spares. And with 3 adjustable Velcro straps, it's easy to fit onto most bikes I've been testing lately. What I like about that in particular is that it's easy to swap from bike to bike, so you don't have to remember to have all those essentials in your backpack. 3. Bontrager Flare R City Rear Bike Light. This LED taillight from Bontrager is rechargeable and compact enough to keep in your riding pack for when the need arises. We don't really review commuter-style light accessories here at our channel. Normally, it's the super-duper high-powered helmet and handlebar lights that we're testing for proper off-roading night riding. But you still need a rear light, especially if you're riding on bitumen to and from the trailhead. I got a set of these Bontrager Flare City lights a while ago, and I've been really impressed with them since. This is the rear one, which is called the Flare R. You can buy it on its own, or in the combo pack with the matching Ion 100R front light. It's really quite bright, and the daytime flash setting is ideal for riding on backcountry roads. The single LED pumps out 35 lumens in a compact package that straps onto your seat post or frame tube via a silicone rubber band. You can leave the bracket on the bike and unclip the head unit to recharge it via a micro USB cable. There are 4 modes: day steady, day flash, night steady, and night flash. You'll get between 3 to 20 hours of runtime depending on the mode. The best thing about this light, aside from being well visible for its tiny size, is that it has an inbuilt ambient light sensor that will automatically adjust the brightness depending on whether you're riding during the day, the night, or on dusk. 4. Rather be riding Moto-X Mudguard. Another Mudguard I've been using lately is from Canuck Chase-based Rather Be Riding. This is the Moto-X front mudguard, or fender if that's how you swing, and it has a much broader range of coverage compared to the Synchros trail fender shown above. The extra length and width at both the front and the back of the guard simply blocks more of the spray, making this extra effective in particularly foul conditions. The guard itself is made in Cannock chase and uses a robust construction that reinforces the sides so there's less chance of it being bent out of shape. And with the curved profile, it does a stellar job of keeping mud and dust away from the fork stanchions, something that the Synchros fender doesn't do at all. 5. Specialized Z-cage to right. On certain full suspension bikes with compact frame designs, a regular bottle cage just won't cut it. In this case, you'll need a side entry cage, which allows you to fit the water bottle by pressing it in from an angle on the side. This Z-Cage 2 from Specialized is my favorite option so far. It's got a nice and wide entry point, and plenty of flex through the cage that makes it easy to jam the bottle in even while you're pedaling along. Despite this, it is hella secure. There's no wobble at all, and you could ride your bike upside down and the bottle still wouldn't come out. The model I've got is the right option, which sees the bottle entering and exiting from the right side of the mount. You can also get a wrong left option, and there are also carbon versions for the more exotically inclined. Specialized also offers this cage with a multi-tool that bolts on underneath, though unfortunately that option isn't available in the UK or Australia. 6. Specialized SWAT Conceal Carry MTB tool. The SWAT CC hides a multi-tool inside your fork's steerer tube. What is available though is this SWAT Conceal Carry MTB tool. This little multi-tool is designed to occupy the hollow space inside your fork's alloy steerer tube. It replaces the traditional star nut and uses a threaded compression assembly that preloads your headset bearings. At the top of the SWAT CC tool is a swiveling top cap that opens to reveal a mini tool inside. It's a basic mini tool, but it is super handy and easy to use. You've got 6 tools on there, which should cover most of the jobs you'd typically run into on a mountain bike ride. And because the tool is so handy to access, it makes all those jobs just a little bit easier. Lurking deeper within the SWAT CC tool is an integrated chain breaker, as well as magnetic storage for a chain quick link. This means these tools are always with you on every ride, giving you one less thing to forget when you reach the trail center car park.